motion to vacate the conviction pursuant to CPL Article 440 is granted.
Thank you, John.
Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God.
The emotion of this moment you can feel, even through your TV. This was when, after almost a quarter century behind bars, 51-year-old Jonathan Fleming was officially released from custody for a murder he didn't commit. He was 27 years old when a fellow Brooklyn resident, Darrell Rush, was shot dead in the early morning hours of August 15, 1989, while Fleming was on vacation in Orlando with his family. They all testified they were with him.
I know he was innocent.
Because you were there.
That's right. I was there.
But prosecutors back then successfully argued that Fleming could have flown from Orlando to Brooklyn and back overnight. But this, a phone receipt for Fleming's room at the Orlando hotel, proving that he was indeed 1,000 miles away during the murder, did not surface until now, as his lawyer pointed out today.
This phone receipt has been found as a part of the case file. It indicates that it was recovered from Mr. Fleming's person.
Orlando police produced the receipt during the murder investigation 25 years ago, but it somehow wasn't turned over to Fleming's lawyers. Also, a woman testified that she witnessed Fleming kill Darrell Rush. It's now proven she got her own criminal record wiped clean in order to testify falsely.
She stated that she lied completely when she testified under oath at trial.
The result is this. 24 years and 8 months later.
It's been a long time coming. I waited for this day to come, 24 and a half years, for this nightmare to be over. And this day is finally here. I dreamt about this many nights. I feel wonderful. I'm going to eat dinner with my mother and my family, and I'm going to live the rest of my life.
And off he went to dinner with his family, just as promised. But what happens now? Well, that's still an open question in many ways, even though Fleming's attorneys pointed out that he has not been compensated at all for all of that time lost, at least not yet. And what happens in that underlying criminal trial? Who will end up being charged with that murder? That remains an open question as well, one for the current district attorney and the district attorney from the time when it happened, Charles Hines. We await their comments still. Reporting live from outside Brooklyn Supreme Court, I'm James Ford, Pix 11 News.